Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a bio on Gumroad. So actually guys, at first you will need to go with gumroad.com website on your browser and then just log in to your account by going with the login button that's located at the top right corner of the page. Then all you need to do is to go with the login method that you are using, and then you will be forwarded into your home screen or the dashboard on Gumroad. So right here you will need to click your profile icon or the profile option that you will find on the settings or inside the settings option. So you will find the settings first at the left hand menu, so you'll need just scroll down a little bit, then just click it or select it just like so. And now all you need to do is to go with the profile tab here, click it, and then you will be able to see and to check also to change your username, name, and the bio. So we are talking about the bio at or in that video. So here you will need to write a short description about yourself or your work. So keep it concise, like 1 to 3 sentences, and highlight what you sell or create. For example, design digital planners and tutorials for creatives, and include the link to your website or social media. That last one is optional. Then all you need to do is to go with update settings, and that's where you can save changes. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.